everybody, and welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today you've joined me on quite an adventure. If this is your first video, wow. I'm going to Glastonbury. I have just missed a train. It wasn't the train I was planning on catching, so I'm not too mad about it. We've got about 20 minutes now to wait here. Really annoying. As soon as I walked downstairs, I heard the train leave. But now well, I've got possibly the largest rucksack I've ever had on my back, plus my little rucksack. I'm going to take this off now. I'm going to Glastonbury with Used and Loved. If you want to see what's in this bag, I didn't pack with me, so go check that out. But I'm going to Glastonbury with Used and Loved, which are an online secondhand search platform. They have kindly invited me to go and work with them at Glastonbury 2023. They've packed my tent, everything's there, my tent, my bed, all that sort of good stuff. So that bag, believe it or not, is actually just like clothes and toiletries and snacks and things like that that I want to take with me. So I am now going to wait for my train. I've got to get to Liverpool Street, change at Liverpool Street, to get to Paddington on the Lizzie line, and then Paddington to Castle Carey, and then I get the shuttle bus. It's saying the journey will be about 3 hours. If I'd got that earlier train, would have been super convenient, although I've actually got a specific train I've got to get on at Paddington, so it doesn't matter if I was there earlier, I'm still gonna have to wait there. It's just I kind of would have preferred to wait nearer my destination than here at the start, but alas, I'm gonna wait here. There's actually a plug here, so I'm tempted to plug in my phone, just because I want to keep my phone as charged up as possible. Obviously with the long time away from a plug socket. Although in the green features field, which is where I'm working, you're allowed solar panels for energy, and we've got them, so hopefully I can charge my phone there. Okay, I think I'm going the right way. I'm with a bunch of other people with massive rucksacks and bags, so I feel like I'm in the right place. It's bloody boiling. I'm ready to sit on the train. I'm on the free shots and I'm so hot. Like this little fan that I just realised was on in my bag, which is not ideal, but I'm on the shuttle now. Jess is going to come meet me at the front, and then we're going. I'm in. I picked up some chicken and chips because I'm hungry. I'm here. I'm in my tent. I'm so sweaty. It's quite a long walk from the buses to the camp. We stopped and got some food on the way, which I'll insert a picture if I hadn't already. He's got some chicken and chips. So many options, and I felt overwhelmed because I'm so hot. So we'll take some time, cool off. There's music going on, as you can hear. I think it's just like it's the first night of music, I think, but there's no like big, well, there probably is big acts on right now, but no one I know. But I'm excited to chill for a little bit. I'm gonna like organise my stuff. I keep pushing up my glasses, they're not on there. And breathe. That was a lot of travelling. The train journey went really quickly, but weirdly I'm exhausted, so I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. And yeah, I went to the toilet. The toilets weren't as bad as I thought they were gonna be, although I stupidly just sat down, didn't think about it. Probably a rookie mistake, but here we are. They weren't like open in the air though, which it feels like an American toilet where the gaps are too big that people can see you poo. But here we are. I'm gonna lay down now. Just walking to the toilet. I've been sitting in the tent, but look how pretty that sunset is. It's so cute. Like I'm about to tell a ghost story like this, but this is the best I can do to vlog. I could use my flash, I suppose, but here we are. I'm using my torch. It is day one. It's done. I am about to go to bed. My bed, I'll show you around my tent tomorrow when I wake up. But as you can hear, the party is still very much going. It's only about 10 o'clock, well, maybe about half 10 now. I think I've not rubbed in my moisturiser very well, I've just noticed. Doing everything in the dark. But I'm excited to go to bed. I'm really excited for tomorrow. I think it's going to be really fun. Not sure who I'll get to see. But excited to interview people, and the atmosphere here is just amazing. Everyone looks insane, everyone's really friendly, and everyone is ready to party, but I am ready for bed, so I'm going to watch the rest of Captain in America, and then I'm going to go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow at Glastonbury. Hello everybody, good morning from day 2 at Glastonbury. I've just done my makeup and touched on my outfit for the day. I'm very overdressed considering it's very early in the morning, but I thought I might as well get ready early. Just walking to the toilets. Hopefully it'll be less chaotic than they were last night. I queued for like 5-10 minutes to the toilets both times I went for a wee later on last night. So I'm hoping they look quieter. Hopefully everyone's still asleep. The music went on to about 3 AM and was really loud. Obviously only at my festival. It just meant that I didn't have the best night's sleep, which is weird because I always sleep to music. But yeah, after like 3 AM I got like a solid sleep, which is good. My eyes though feel really hay fevery. I think being outside for the whole time, my eyes aren't used to it. It's just like antihistamine. But I'm wearing my glittery butterfly top. This is from Rochester Vintage Market, and then my sparkly flares from Sense, and my bum bag is from Ella. I borrowed it. I didn't have my bum bag, and now I'm gonna go for a wee. So I thought I would give you a little tour. Oh, my mascara is fun. Around the tent. I'm gonna whisper though because I think people are still asleep. It's my little porchy bit, and then this is my squidgy bed. I've got my denim jacket there and the skirt that I bought yesterday, or they gave to me yesterday. Got my flip flops for in case I want to shower. My bum bag, which I'm turning into like the toilet bag. Sorry, Ella. Some wellies, some drinks, some snacks. These like my nighttime things plus the towel. And then I've got my outfits all organised into these bags, funnily enough. And then this is my beauty stuff, and this is my bed with all my bedding on. So me and Jess are on a little break, so we're walking around in, do you want to be in it? Oh, hey! We're walking around and trying this really cool upcycle thing, so we're going to go have a little explore. Just in the healing fields, so it's like massage and readings and all that sort of thing. It's so peaceful here. I love these dresses made out of bottle tops. They're so cute. Oh, they're so fun. Yeah, I like them. There's vintage tops. It's a crochet top and it actually looks like it would fit. It's handmade. It's only £35, but I'm going to try and be good, but it's so pretty. Got a vegan katsu curry. Thought I'd get something quite filling, was my thought. Just picked up my wristband. Couldn't do that yesterday because they were closed. This band has saved my life. Love this sequin bodysuit. There's so many. They are absolutely stunning, like breathtaking. Like I need an occasion to wear these. I've also made a purchase which I will show you when I get back, but I am very excited about it. But this sequin shop, it's a dream. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Oh, I love these. Shopping. There's lots of places selling hats, lots of vintage clothes. Didn't realise this was going to be at Glastonbury, but you guys know this is my dream. I'm waiting in a queue to get into the cabaret stage where James Acast is talking, but I don't think I'm going to get in because it's completely full, which is so sad. How massive the queue is, and there's a queue over there. This is absolutely madness. Ring for James Acast, though. He's just there. Oh, this is so annoying. I can hear him. It's all good. It's all good. I'm just going to listen like this. I'm just sitting in my tent. I'm having a bit of a hay fever attack, and I don't really know what to do. But my eyes are really red and my nose is super like blocked up. But I thought I'd show you my shoes that I picked up a little while ago because they're super cute. This is the most interesting angle I've ever vlogged at, potentially, but look at these shoes. These were £15 from a vintage store. Let me find the name of it. I've got the card in here somewhere in my rucksack. That's my ticket. I don't want to lose that. I will upload a picture on screen maybe because I don't know if I can find. Oh, is it here? No, that's my train ticket. Okay, I'll just upload a picture of the name of the brand. But there I got some Wrangler cowboy boots. They're in a size 4. I'm not gonna lie, they are quite small, which is crazy because I've got quite small feet, but these are really narrow. I think my feet might have been a bit swollen when I tried them on because it was really hot and sweaty. Whereas if I wore like some tights, but like the socks are tight, I think my feet would sit right in. And they're proper real leather Wrangler cowboy boots, and these are only £15. Such a bargain. Thought I'd update the vlog. My eye is feeling slightly better. I'm not sure if it looks better, but it feels better. Just chilling by the marquee. Gonna go out for a bit in a minute and get some interviews and grab some food. There is loads and loads and loads of vintage stores and stalls and things like that. So just having a little browse, and we've done all the interviewing now. So we're just relaxing. Khalees is on at 10:15, so we've got about 2 hours to kill. But all of the vintage jewels make my heart happy. This vintage Disney, it's only 25, but I find with this sort of thing I want to style it with denim, and I obviously can't, but I could, but I'm not sure I want to style it with denim, so
hijacking Amy's phone while she is trying on some beautiful pieces, and can't wait for you to see in a beautiful vintage shop.
Sorry.
Here it is.
It's too big, but it's really cool, so whoever buys this, well done.
Oh, I love it. Go and have a look.
Oh, it is quite cute.
It's super cute.
And I could probably just like put cycling shorts on it in summer.
Yeah, and wear it with those trousers. They look really cool.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that is really cute. Literally wear it as a dress, can't you? Yeah, I quite like it in leggings in the winter and then little shorts. Yeah, it is really cute. So I chucked on my Disney jacket that I got in the vintage store. My camera is really dirty, plus it's filming on front camera and it's noisy and it's dark, but we're waiting to see Khalees, which is exciting. Jess is going to get a drink, and then after this I'm going to wash my feet because they're so dirty, and then go to bed. Cheesy fries. Oh yeah. Hello everybody. It is day 2. I don't know, I've lost count. Day 2, about pop full day of Glastonbury. I'm in a super cute outfit today, which I need to get a picture in. But I'm just trying to find something to eat. So I'm hungry. I need some sausages. I'm gonna get chips for breakfast. It's debatable. So I've spent the morning, I don't know if you can hear me. I've spent the morning doing interviews and being at the marquee, but I'm now waiting for H to come on the pyramid stage, and I'm so excited. Then Miss Lewis Proudy, then it's Lizzo's, like all round good vibes. I still haven't managed to get a good Instagram picture, I don't think, which is a disappointment, but alas, well, try later. So Lizzo, Lewis Capaldi and H were amazing, like absolutely amazing. Lizzo, gorgeous, we danced. Jess and the lady from the stall next door came with her, and we just danced and spoke about body positivity and all that good stuff, and it just was really lovely. I'm just walking to the staff toilets now. I'm desperate for a wee. So tonight's Guns N' Roses. I'm not fussed about seeing Guns N' Roses, so I think I might go to the toilet, get changed into some super duper comfy clothes, and then maybe go and grab some food, maybe like more local to the camp, maybe come back in my tent and eat it, I don't know, and have like a little cozy tent evening, I think. Maybe watch a film, because I've been out a lot today and I feel like I just need to relax. But yes, if you haven't gone and shown my Glastonbury pics some love, please do. It's been a bit of a struggle to get photos, more than I thought it was going to be, but I just think I have quite a strong idea in my brain, and it's hard to always like tell that to someone when they're taking the photo. But I'm going for a wee now, and I'm so tired, and also I feel like my lips are burnt, which is unideal. I feel like this vlog is slowly just becoming me vlogging when I go for a wee. But I'm going for a wee again. Time has passed. I have got sunburnt, which is unideal. It's not bad. I put on sun cream before I left, but I was out for like quite a long time. Probably should have reapplied. But I'm going, so I had a shower like in the taps. We've got like a staff tap like opposite, and it's got like a bit like a paddling pool underneath and a big tap, so I kind of just washed there, and I do feel a lot fresher. Just gonna go for a wee, and then I'm gonna get some food and probably bring it back to my tent and eat in my tent and just have like a chilled night, because we're gonna be out late tomorrow at Elton John, and it's gonna be like a busy day, so I feel like I need a rest. And it's ridiculous at Glastonbury. I'm gonna have a rest, but at the same time I saw 3 acts back to back today, so I don't feel like I'm wasting my time. I feel like it's really hard at things like this not to feel guilty for not doing everything. And obviously I'm working, so it's not, I can't be doing everything, but I think just remembering like if you're happy with what you're doing, then that's like the right choice, and don't feel pressured to like do absolutely everything. But I'm gonna go for a wee now, so I'm gonna stop vlogging because no one wants me to vlog them while they're weeing. I am now in my tent with my curry, listening to somewhat music. Somewhat meaning like multiple different musics, not that someone's not very good. I've had this for about 15 minutes now and it's still steaming hot. And I'm watching some YouTube and I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Hello everybody, I'm a proper like Y2K look day, all basically Latham Street. In fact, I think everything bar my Crocs are Latham Street. Today is the secondhand style awards, so we're just waiting for people to come in and getting free drinks and get some bits and bobs. And then later on, I'm probably going to see at 5 o'clock it's Blondie, then it's Lil Nas X, then it's Elton John. So I'll probably go to the Pyramid Stage and just stay there again like I did yesterday, and just make sure to bring lots more sun cream because I got quite bad sun lines, as you can see really clearly where my dress was. That's brilliant. The stone weighs it's strapless. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to say. Lit. No shock, I'm vlogging again on the way to the toilet. Then I'm going to go to see Blondie. Apparently there's a lot of rumours that they're probably going to have to shut off the Pyramid Stage, how busy it's going to be for Elton. So I really want to see Blondie, so I'm going to go there now. And now is about 10 to 4. And Blondie comes on at 5, so I've got an hour and a bit to get over there. Am I going to make it? Hopefully. There was a secret passageway we went through yesterday because of our bands, like our worker bands, but I'm not sure if I will maybe able to remember where it is. But got some henna, just waiting for it to chip off, and obviously it will develop over the next day. But it looks so cute already, so very happy with that. And all the money goes to a Down syndrome charity called Ups and Downs. So that's super fun. They're the stand opposite, so I've been chatting to the lovely ladies there all week. So nice. I'm going to the toilet now. On my way to the pyramid. Been slightly more organised than I was yesterday. I actually picked up one of the Guardian newspapers because they come with a rucksack. I love the one Amy got me, but I found yesterday where it's rope, it was itching my shoulders a little bit where I've been wearing like really thin clothing. I thought with this it's got nothing on my shoulders, so I thought I'd pick up one of these buttons. £3.80, quite good. And I've packed snacks, I've packed multiple drinks, I've got a Luke's, left my Lucasade in the cool bag. I'll go back and get that. But I'm going to take a Lucasade, a Rio and water. But I forgot I left it in the cool bag so it'd be cold. So we've seen Blondie and then Lil Nas X, and I was waiting for Elton John, and this is the biggest crowd I've ever been in. It is packed and it's just getting busier by the literal second. So who knows who's Elton's going to bring out. Maybe this is Harry Styles, Eminem, Britney, who knows. I've done some henna on my other hand, and yeah, just sitting and waiting. So it is now Tuesday, so I got back yesterday afternoon. I didn't vlog me getting home. My journey was actually really smooth and really easy, and I got home actually about 12:30 in the afternoon, which was so great because it meant I had the whole afternoon to relax and chill before then getting ready for work today. But I didn't realise I didn't end the vlog, and I'm just editing it now. But I had the best time, so thank you to Use the Love, thank you to Jess and Hayley and Davey for having me and keeping me company and looking after me. I had the best time. Like I couldn't think of a better festival. Like it was just amazing and it was just great. Highlight act wise would be Lewis Capaldi, I'd say, because he was just the most it's just the most amazing voice, and he's so real, and I sobbed from basic start to finish of his set. And when the crowd came all together to sing Someone You Loved at the end, honestly I cry every time I think about it. It was just amazing, and it's something I'll always remember. This is my henna if you wanted an update on that. But yeah, it was just amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, I'm going to end this one here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.